Next goal is... Next goal is... Those are good. Excuse me. Would it be... Is it OBS browser page or is it OBS?
Oh, excuse me.
Not good, not very attractive. The glasses are nice. I don't like the red chair.
424. They have given 6,419 gift subs in the channel.
Excuse me. I had never seen a buck before. It was huge. It was huge. Cause you betcha, I'm eating this later. I have to sneeze. Sneeze all over myself. Thanks, Chloe. What else was on my plate? I forget. I don't know, was that it? Oh, baby corn. Excuse me. Okay, let's do it. Hi, old Sue. Goodness. Your sub was for a burp. Oh, okay. You look so hot. I'm very hot, temperature-wise. Excuse me, sorry. It's just a little rain. Yeah, but I don't want to get drenched. I'll get super cold. 105 in Idaho. I was in Idaho. Excuse me.
No, not this year. Aw. Sad.
Let's talk about us. Oops. Excuse me.